Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a color block nail design using dip powders. So let's get right into the video. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Sky bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails, so I applied base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dipped into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then dipped into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Starting on the index nail, I placed some tape on the nail off camera and then applied my base liquid and poured the milky white dip powder on my nail. I did 3 layers of that and then removed the tape. I also did the same for my pinky nail. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then I filed to get a straighter line. On my ring finger, I'm using my Revel nail Emily and Ensemble, and I did an ombre nail or a baby boomer nail. So I applied base to the nail and then I poured the milky white dip powder on the nail. Then I applied another layer of base and sprinkled the milky white dip powder on the tip area and the Ensemble dip powder on the nail bed area. I did a few more layers after that. If you're getting value from this video, don't forget to hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on design as well. This helps the channel a lot, and if you want to subscribe, do so as well. Now on the index and pinky nail, I applied base to the tip area and then I dipped into my Nicole Diary purple glitter dip powder. I did 3 layers of that, but I only showed 1 layer. On the middle finger, I did the whole nail using the glitter dip powder. I did about 3 layers of that. Now I encapsulated the nails with a few layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, and then began filing. This is after filing of the nails. Now, using my Mother One's shiny top coat, I applied to all of the nails, and on the ring finger I applied some gel glue to the cuticle area only and then the top coat, and then I placed some rhinestones and cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So let me know what you guys think of my dip powder nail design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.